don't even have energy to do my intro. Over. I look crazy.
So let me take this lipstick off.
Cause I don't know why you put that on. You know you could put on a mask.
They need to make lipstick for masks. That's what I'm gonna come up with.
Lipstick for mask.
Yeah, you put it on the outside.
This is what I have to deal with all day.
I'm sick of it. I'm like Trump, this China disease.
That's rude. What's up, SG gang? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, today we will be making. Yes. Today we will be. You got the keys, Mom. Today we'll be making homemade pizzas. So we're at our local grocery store here to get our items. Local grocery store. This is not a super Walmart.
It is. It got super stuff in here. It got like groceries in.
Let me say what I want. Anywho, we're here at our local grocery store to get all of our items to make the pizza. And look at this person being rude. Don't want me to go. Be careful. Okay. My hair looks a mess because our trainer killed us today. He literally had us outside running in the rain.
Actually, we're not getting the pizza stuff from here. We're getting your toiletries.
Oh yeah, we're getting my toiletries from here, guys. We're gonna get the other stuff from Kroger. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. This don't make no sense. I can't go nowhere with you because we can't never get nothing done because you always gotta go to the bathroom. You too old for that. We need to get you a diaper.
That's what old people do.
This don't make no sense. We can't never come in all the way in Walmart because you always gotta go to the bathroom. I ain't got no bags. Oh really? Yeah. Enough for me and you, bro. I'm gonna need 2 bags anymore. Ain't no way Dad's getting mail, bro. Let me let this focus. They said it's time to schedule Dad's new appointment. Then he got a name right here. He don't pay no bills. He do not pay no bills. Alright guys, so we're finally back home. It was raining extremely hard. So what I wanted to do, I couldn't do. So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a haul of everything that we got before we start making the pizzas. Just gonna do a little check off, make sure we have everything.
We got crust. Original.
Peppers. Got the peppers.
Oh my goodness, we got the olives.
No, the olives are over here. I got the olives. I got the olives.
I got the black olives though, but I guess you can do green.
Okay, got the olives.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
A little turkey burger.
Ground turkey. This is gonna be our sausage, really. That's what she meant. Ground turkey.
Basil.
I got the basil.
Sauce.
Got the sauce.
Got the pizza pan.
Got the pizza pan.
And your dinner won't be complete without your cheese.
Got the cheese. Look at our arms.
Pepperoni. My husband likes pepperoni. We don't eat pork nor beef, but we'll put a couple of them on there, but we can
take them off. So yeah. We're gonna do a meat lovers pizza. Everything on the meat lovers pizza is pretty much turkey. The only thing that's not turkey is these pepperonis. We couldn't find turkey pepperoni, so if you guys know where they have that, comment down below. So I'll just take these off whenever I get a slice. And then on the second pizza, we're gonna do a veggie pizza. So that will be friendly for us. So I'll just take the pepperonis off. She will too.
And now I have my mini Diva coffee. I don't even know why that's on the list. Let me buy.
Y'all, I have donuts today. What happened was, I was supposed to go, we stood in the line for about 30 minutes. I wanted to get the new lemon glazed donut. That was doing it for a whole week. Today was the last day. So I was like, Mom, we have to get that. I know I shouldn't be eating that, but after that workout that we had today, I feel like I deserved it. And I've been talking about it all week. So we stood in line for 30 minutes. We got to the window, they were out. My thumbs would hurt so bad. So Mom was like, we're gonna have to get something because we wasted our time. So we got original glazed donuts. And I ate one, so yeah. I eat one. She's gonna eat one in the morning when they go on their robbery drive to get some Lysol and
we go Lysol, honey, every Saturday morning. Meet us at the Walmart.
So my camera died, but I switched my battery pack. Look at me, turned into a real YouTuber, period. So I'm cooking up our turkey sausage for the meat lovers pizza. I seasoned it and I got some olive oil in here. I'm just, you know, cooking it till it's done. I'm cooking all my meat. So I'll be cooking my bacon and my sausage next. I got my bacon prepped over there. Turkey and turkey sausage right here prepped, ready for me to cut up. And I'll show you guys what it's looking like in a minute. Mom's over there cutting up a whole bunch of, what are these? Grapefruits?
Yeah.
So she can freeze them because we have so many. So she's just cutting them up to put them in little bags.
Okay.
So now we're just frying up the bacon, the turkey bacon. Woo, this is hot.
Turn it down a little bit.
Okay.
I'm making pizza.
That's what they do, Mom? There, some fresh garlic, and just spread it around to give the pizza a really good flavor, you know.
Spread it out like.
Give me a little garlic seasoning so I can season the crust, like the edges or something.
You can make one up, please.
I like my crust tasting really good. Okay, now what?
Ooh, the sauce before the meat.
This is the sauce, really?
No, the red.
Okay.
That one too with the meat.
Don't forget about the pepperoni up there.
I'll put that on like last.
Look at Mama's pizza. Ugly. I'm just playing. Now what?
Girl, the whole bacon right here. Indeed.
Mom, get that. Put that on that piece.
Did we put some garlic on there?
Yeah.
Put some garlic sauce on it. Indeed.
Salt? Garlic salt? I did. Some more?
Put some cheese and pepperoni.
Cheese pepperoni!
Oh, pretty.
Yours? See there? She don't listen to me, y'all. She don't listen to me at all.
Now clean up.
Yeah, that makes sense. So now the pizzas are done. They're ready to go in the oven. Right now we're about to clean up and stuff. We already got it prepped up. Let me show you what they looking like. So we decided to put some meat on the veggie one. We just put sausage and turkey bacon. But this is the one that's fully loaded with the meat. And this is the kind of veggie one with a little bit of meat. They're kind of thick, y'all. But we're just going to see what they do. Turn the oven on 450, let it preheat, and these bad boys going in there. It's hot, I ain't gonna be able. You sure you got it, Mama?
Yeah, because that's why I got this for the clean.
Okay. Ooh, that looks good.
Now I need that one. I need.
Now the second one is about to go in.
Cause this is hot. I can't.
You gotta put that in second. Yeah. We'll see you in 15 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Pizza. Pizza. Homemade pizza. And I'm finna get my groove on homemade pizza. That's right. It ain't Pizza Hut. It ain't goddamn Papa John's.
Gucci
it ain't
Hut.
Little Caesars. It ain't Domino's. You heard her. She say Gucci Hut. Goddamn, it's Gucci Hut. But I call it pizza.
Are you mad?
Tell her, Dad, pizza. He wants some pizza. This is what you want. He want pizza. See, this how he go. See that what your little butt get? That's what your little ass get. You want that damn pizza, that damn bad. Now you got stepped on. Now what you gotta say? You want pizza.
Oh, good.
I don't know how to do this. I'm just.
Straight across.
I want 3 slices of pizza.
And then pizza up. You got wings with this order?
Yeah, where they at, ma'am? What, Mom? That is not mine.
That's enough slices. One more time.
Yeah. You got it, Mama. You gotta actually dig in there. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay. That one's thick. Y'all, I didn't already start eating. I'm hungry. We had a long gym day. Alright guys, that completes this video. Get this video to at least 100 likes. I love you guys so freaking much. And we are out. That is on gang. Love you, SG gang. See you guys in the next video.
Pizza.